Here's a 2015 Lexus GS 350. With an aggressive attitude on performance, luxury, and safety, this GS 350 is the perfect fit for your full-throttle life. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, auto-dimming mirrors, power telescoping steering column, V6 engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Automobile raves, step into the GS 350 and every surface you lay your hand on is made of a high quality or soft touch material. Luxury awaits in every Lexus. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.